Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a brake light bulb. First, gather your tools, a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is turned off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Next, open the rear hatch of your Sienna. This will give you clear access to the two screws holding the taillight assembly in place. It's a straightforward process, so let's get started. Now let's get to those screws. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove the two screws you just located. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire taillight assembly straight back, away from the vehicle. It might feel a little snug, but it will come free. With the assembly detached, locate the brake light bulb socket. Give it a quarter turn counterclockwise to unlock it from the housing. With the socket in hand, simply pull the old, faulty bulb straight out. It's a friction fit, so a firm tug should do it. Now, take your new replacement bulb and carefully insert it firmly into the socket. Avoid touching the glass part of the new bulb with your bare hands, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Before reassembling, have someone press the brake pedal to confirm the new bulb illuminates correctly. Great, your new bulb is working. Now, twist the bulb socket clockwise to secure it back into the taillight housing. Carefully align the entire taillight assembly back into its original position on the vehicle. Reinsert and tighten the two Phillips head screws you removed earlier. Make sure they are snug, but don't over-tighten. You've successfully replaced your brake light bulb. Also, for an amazing audio experience, check out the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.